All right. I just realized that I wasn't recording my backtesting session. I already backtested for like 2 hours today, but it's spring break and I have nothing else to do except play video games, and I don't really want to do that, so I'm just backtest. Um, I'm already down negative 600 on this session. There's 2 minutes left, anyways. But let me just skip to 9:30. All right, it's 9:30. Let me just clear my. I have no drawings. There's no SMT. I don't think so. Yeah, there's no SMT on the 4 hour. We see this gap developing. On the 1 hour, we see this gap. This gap. We're actually inside a current. Uh, what is this? 1 hour gap that we haven't broken through yet. No SMT though. Yeah, no. I'm going on to the 15 minute because I don't use the 30 minute. There's another gap right here. I guess you could also call this an order block, and this order block. I might start using them again. I'm not too sure. I feel like we're bullish for the day though. But never mind. Yeah, never mind. Asia accumulated downwards. Then we have this manipulation, and then further manipulation, and then we didn't take out liquidity on the upside yet. But honestly, it's whatever. Maybe we don't want to take out the bottom of London before anything. We see this Drake candle. Oh my god. All right. I mean, this is something. SMC at the highs. This candle took out this. However, on the NQ it didn't. IFVG broke the high. Broke. Whatever. At 2 minutes. All right. What do we see? We see possible liquidity right here. We seem to be trending upwards. Then was this Monday? We trended upwards. Tuesday we trended upwards. It's Wednesday. No, today's still Tuesday. All right. Usually we go in the direction of the 2 a.m. candle. We see that the 2 a.m. candle was overwhelmingly bearish. We see. Hold on. ES1. Well, I have MNQ and ES and only have whatever. Um, taking out, taking out, taking out, taking out. All right. Was I marking out? Yes, I was. Yeah, 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 yeah. Up in a 1 hour. Probably gonna reverse somewhere here, or like near these order blocks. Wait, which of the order block is it? This or is it whatever? Let's hop on 15 minute. There's a few. There's no gaps over here. Order block though. Maybe this is our bullish momentum. Maybe we're gonna take out something. Q, check yes. Back to NQ. I'm gonna go into 1 hour. If I can find a better SMC. Or actually, 50 minutes probably better. On NQ, we're about to take out Old London. We're still mad far up on ES though. This is a change in city direction. There's no IFVG though. And did it retrace into any PD array? It retraced into 1 hour. Just an SMC. There's not an SMC. Was there an SMC? Down, 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 down. Down, down. Up SMC. Down, up. Technically, that's SMC. I want to try using 50-minute SMCs instead. Is this equal highs? Yeah, it's equal high. On Yeah, I think it's equal on both sides. We didn't take these on there we go. Never mind. I guess we took it on both of them. I'm just experimenting with the 15-minute and SMCs. I think there's a tiny SMC at the lows. Let me try 5-minute SMCs plus IFVGs. Four-hour rejection block right here. PDR is inside. IFVG order block. But I'm gonna We're somewhere there. I don't think we're gonna reverse here at all. I think we want to go lower into the rejection block. This is taking too long. I'm fine with this. We got two massive taps. That's the bullish. He's gonna close over it though. CISD. Is that the CISD? IFVG CISD. I'm gonna enter off this. Stop loss down here. I'm gonna take that off. Buy 10. Stop loss down here. TP. If it's gonna be overnight, they're probably gonna go up a lot. Is that a loss? Oh my god, bro. 4 hour gap right here. Everything else got blown through. We're very, very bearish. But usually, I don't know why, but because of what we did in the pre-market, I think we're gonna go bullish. We have so much bearish or bullish liquidity to run, so we need a good liquidity point to run before we go bullish. I don't think these points are gonna supply us with those points because there's not enough liquidity, right? So I'm gonna look for bearish continuations. So bullish IFVG, bullish IFVG, IFVG. It's probably gonna get it to the next day. Honestly, I understand that. I guess this is a sort of liquidity issue. Oh, it's 11 a.m. I want to sweep the actual the other low. Be stronger after all the things that we did yesterday. IFVG. I'm gonna have a big stop loss because I genuinely do not think that we're gonna go anywhere back down. TP. Are we? Yeah, we're. It's 1 p.m. actually. TP right there. Yeah, I figured. I could have probably aimed for higher. I'm not gonna lie. Are those equal highs though? I think those are equal highs. Maybe we can. Yeah, we can probably target these highs again. I'm gonna go on a 3 minute. Look for bullish sentiment. Is there an SMT anywhere? No SMT. Are we gonna take it? There's an SMT at the low. But by the time you were to get a CISD, Well, mirror session over. You took all the bearish liquidity pre-market. That probably means that the next day is gonna go bullish. We start off inside a a bullish fair value gap. Wait, is that bullish? Yeah, bullish gap. I'm looking for IFVGs, liquidity sweep IFVG. Uh, I don't know, cause maybe we sweep that first. We did indeed sweep that first. Now IFVG. Oh, it was never. Oh, that's 5 minutes. This is liquidity to go lower. I'd like to see a sweep first. We see a sweep. Is there an SMT? There is an SMT. CISD. We can't go that bearish. I'm not gonna lie. There's no way. There's simply no way. It's like all-time lows from this chart at least. All right, let me look back on the trade because it's at my TP. Where could I have entered? I could have entered off this CISD stop loss here, and I could have targeted the high after we swept, and there was there an SMT? There was barely an SMT. What about at the highs? Is there an SMT? We did sweep, so it's not an SMT. This is probably just a retrace because me personally, I think every uh every like a big thing needs a retrace before anything. Get it. That's the CISD. I'm gonna stop loss at the lows or a little bit under actually. Not cheap either though. This is Loki mad high. Yeah, I felt. I understand that it isn't Loki mad high for a trade in a New York New York lunch. There was also an SMC at the lows or at the highs. And ES didn't sweep yet. We have an IFVG. ES did sweep though. Maybe I'll enter off a CISD. We didn't close. We closed above giving the CISD, but we're engineering low resistance. We're engineering low resistance liquidity. So maybe a break above real quick, and then we can go lower. Whatever. This is gonna go bearish. Bearish. What do we do pre-market? We stuffed a lot of liquidity. Maybe that's giving us the room to go bullish. We have a gap right here, and there's a rejection block right under. We tap into the block. All right. With an SMT right here. Then we have this massive bull candle. Stop loss down here. This is kind of a big stop loss. But TP up here. Ended up chopping. Unfortunate. Wednesday at 6. Tuesday at 2. That 8:30 candle must have been crazy news. 4 hour. I feel like the only thing we can do is go bullish now. Except all the bearish liquidity. I mean, before 9:30 even rolled around. We had a sweep right here. We had a sweep right there as well. Is that what they call a breaker block? The block that doesn't get reversed. I'm gonna take this as my I'm gonna take this as my entry. Stop loss under this TP up here. And then go and be a Colgate. Yeah, I'm forever a thug, ever a thug. Q check ES. Did ES sweep? ES did sweep. But NQ did not sweep. So we have an SMC. Could be sign to go bearish. Did we sweep on ES? We did sweep on ES. NQ swept. ES did not. Wait. No, ES didn't sweep, but it is close. ES swept. Over in SMC. It's on that low. And then after that, probably taking a CISD. Alright, so now we're bullish. We have the SMC. Probably won't get anything. NQ close above. Yes, close above. We have an IFVG. We also have the IFVG on NQ. There's an SMG between these two candles, I think. Yeah, there's. I'll take this as my CISD entry. TP. Can I go for a combo 1-to-1? Oh, it refused to break out of this gap. So understand that. There's no 3-minute gaps up here. So it's probably gonna run it. Yep. Wherever there's no gap, it's probably gonna get ran. Took on ES. And it also took on NQ. I'm really just experimenting with SMGs right now. Yo, what is the date? Oh my god. Why are we at 3? Oh, never mind. Alright. Next day. Yo, a crazy IFVG for the 2 a.m. candle. Only 15. Oh, that's already full. Let's see if he's gonna start. There's no point waiting on anyone like ever. He's using Nas. I don't know what's the point of this. Alright. We're on a 4-hour. It's 11 a.m. We're about to run into this order block. Oh no, rejection block. But what did it reject out of? What's up this long? Whatever. Let's see rejection block, right? It's fine now. We didn't tap into it at all on ES. Alright, we tapped in on NAS. Looks like we're about to sweep actually. On ES we swept. On NQ we did not sweep. So there is a 1-hour SMG. So now I'm gonna look for bullish confluences to support that SMG. We didn't get it. Maybe I could have entered off of CISD. Nas. Yes. Seems like Nas wants to follow ES. It followed ES. Well, alright. Alright. There is a 3-hour gap right above us. We have a lot to run because of how bearish yesterday was. Was there an SMC here? There is an SMC here. IFVG maybe? We just swept this. Swap. Swap the non-sweep. So there's there's an SMG somewhere. I got that off the 1 hour candle. IFVG here maybe? We got our IFVG. I'm just gonna enter along the somewhat crazy stop loss, and it's protected by this gap right here. Wait, no, I don't know when I entered shorts. Long stop loss, basically about the gap. Where'd my TP be? That's 30. Let me just do. Oh, wait, this is on ES. Yes, the non-sweep and key swept. Oh, I would like to enter here on Nasdaq. We're already kind of high, but I guess this would be our thing. It's 1 to 1. It's cool. It's cool. All right, we seem to be respecting this gap. Is there an SMT at the gap? Uh, there is an SMT at the gap, right? We're going to yes, actually. Is not an SMT at the gap. Both of them swept. Still a gap though. We swept on ES. Didn't sweep on NQ yet. What is this? The Thursday 9 a.m. candle? This is the Thursday 9 a.m. candle. We have an SMC there, I guess. On the Thursday 9 a.m. candle. Alright. What else do we see? Is there like a possible 3-minute anywhere here? There's this 3-minute that never got closed, which we seem to have respected. IFVG maybe? That's our CISD. Hold on, 50-minute. Seems to be bullish. No. Gotta be careful of the liquidity. Let me make sure I actually know where we are. That's why I have those indicators on. Alright, so what do we see? We hop into 1 hour. We see price on ES. That didn't sweep anything yet, actually. On hold on. Let me use the act. Yo, why does he have both, bro? He's like making me so mad. On ES we swept that. On NQ we did not sweep that. That is the Wednesday 9 a.m. candle, right? Yeah, on ES we swept. On NQ we did not. We have this guy that we can use it as our TP. So now we're gonna go on the 3-minute. Hold on. With this gap too that we're currently in. We already had our CISD. All right. We got an IFVG. I hate the IFVG. It's just, bro. We serious? Why is it such a slow retrace, bro? This is just, it's low resistance liquidity, bro. This, actually, no, it's not. I can't even call it that. Whatever, bro. Maybe this is potential for, yeah. This is bullish potential. SMT. We're in a bullish thing right here. We're just gonna go bullish the entire time. We're refusing to close above. We're not meant to do that. Either way, we see the bullishness. We're like, we sunk so low after this crazy dump that I'd look for some type of like sweep or an SMC. And is there an SMC? Bro, I wish I had two cards, bro. 1, 2, 3, 936, 930, 936, 930. Yeah, there is an SMG. Maybe I can wait for a retrace. I'll take the CISD. And then stop loss down here. It is kind of big for a stop loss. Bro, we had crazy dumps, bro. Watch this, bro. I'm about to get crazy banger. I'm going break even, bro. Damn. Hey, how was our initial? It's all good. It's all good. It's 9 a.m. next day. We're in the exact same rejection block. This is like, it's giving us chances to come out of this range right here. All right. What do we see? We're down here, and we. I have no idea, bro. But all I know is we're like mad deep. IFVG here. I enter. 1 hour. Not an SMT technically, but no SMT, bro. Take this SMT right here on this 15-minute bullish. So now I'm looking for longs. Whatever, bro. Today was sharp. Continue the strength of the 2 a.m. candle. I mean, I'm entering longs off of a CISD, so up on you. That would never be. Y'all can't run me, but it's not me. And 'Cause I was with you. 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 ' Yeah, he calls a high picture. And he like your daddy sister. Buy me a picture. And I'll read it. Yeah, you TBH. That boy, you still wish he can leave. Y'all go on sensation. I say, Auntie. Let me stop. Haha. You have this SMT, I guess, on the 15 minute. And are we in a PDR of any type? We're in this 1 hour bearish. Give me ICISD. I'll take this. Stop loss up here. TP. What time is it? 11. It's still 11 a.m. SMT, IFBG, liquidity sweep, same trade, same TP, bigger stop loss. Stop loss. We're gonna go right here. I'm not losing any money. I'll take that. We have another IFBG that's upcoming. Let me hop on the 15 minute. Making low resistance liquidity. Technically a 15 minute IFBG. I'm not trading on New York. Crazy rejection off this 3 minute. I'm also looking to get in longs. Wait, am I? Yeah, whatever. There was no liquidity sweep anywhere yet. Was there an SMT? Probably was. 824 SMT. On ES, we took the high. We did not take the high on NQ. Took it. We didn't take this yet. Alright, so there's a clear draw. We took the draw. Took the draw. What other draw is there? It took all the liquidity on the upside. I'm gonna wait for 15 minute. Have our 15 minute IFVG. Low key, bro. There's probably an SMC though. SMC. There's not an SMC at the lows, bro. Doesn't SMC signify a changing trend? I'm still looking for shorts, bro. I'm not gonna lie. There's probably an SMT at that high that I didn't realize. Nope, there is not. I want to see an SMT at the highs. We do not have an SMT yet. Yo, we didn't sweep any liquidity, bro. How are we doing this, bro? Genuinely, we didn't do anything. Or I guess we have this. Is there an SMT there? No, there's not. My new methodology is that SMT is needed for reversals, and I'm not taking any otherwise. So yeah, sweep. No SMT, bro. Why is it so laggy? Oh yeah, that was an SMT. Time. It's mad laggy though. Let me just take this indicator off because either way I'm not using it. 85,000? What is going on, bro? $50. It's not normal, bro. Oh wait, that's why.
Where's the pumper?
The what?
The pumper for me.
Well, you need mom's key. It's in the back of the house.
Where's the basketball?
Huh?
Where's the basketball?
Why do you need it?
Okay.
Oh, you probably shouldn't play with it inside, but it's behind the treadmill. Alright, we'll take this. Man, I hate my reverse bottom ticks, bro. And it's so laggy, bro. I have to reset that. Bro, oh my god. I'm gonna just refresh, bro. I have no idea why it's so laggy. Whatever. Got me so twisted. You so real, but play. It's on my line. You lost me, memories I too love me. Tell me I'll join this one. They should put infinite profit targets and no getting out. DXY and QES. Let's see what we have. We have a bearish gap getting respected. It's 1 p.m. or 12 p.m. It's 8:59 now. The gap is still getting respected. I'm assuming that we're gonna go into it, make an SMT, and then go lower. Maybe I can target this low right here. Bearish gap, bearish gap. Tapped into it. Was the SMT already made? The SMT was already made. This SMT off just the start. So I'm gonna wait till 9:30, and then I'm assuming that off the SMT. Oh, this is UTC, bro. Oh my god, I missed my entry probably. It's 5 p.m. I really thought it was gonna. Huh? It's 12 a.m. Whatever. We're in a bullet. We're in a bearish gap. Was there an SMT formed? No SMT formed. I mean, we are. I mean, ES is NQ is up here and ES is all the way down there. So there probably is an SMT. Um. Oh, this is Asia. Oh, it's 12 a.m. I thought it was 12 p.m. All right. So what do we have? We have a gap right here. Respective gap right here. Hold on. The gap right here. There is a 15-minute gap right here and right here. If I can get an SMT at this level, which we may already have, we do not have the SMT yet. All right. We we did not sweep this. Wait, what time is that? This is 7:21. 7:21. We didn't sweep it on either though, so it doesn't matter much. We swept it on NQ. Yeah, to do anything crazy on ES. Made a continued at the swept NQ swept. You're still at. No, that's not for me. Not for me. No, that's not for me. I'm sorry, but free. I have no idea what this line is. What is this line? Oh, it's an old New York high. Promise it. I understand that. I'll still take this. It's a nice little 1-to-1. So why was I taking on my trade? And why is there SMT at the lows of my trade? Yo. Oh wait, there's not an SMT at the lows. We're still in shorts. We're still in shorts. Are we? Yeah, we're mad high. On this story, we even tapped into a 4 hour. 4 hour. Actually, no, for bearish now. On ES 133, 124, 133, 124. There's an SMT at the highs. Got to close through the series of bullish. I think that's what that. I think that's a CISD. Stop loss up here. Bro, brother man, brother man, brother man. Come on, bro. Is there an SMT at the high possibly? Hold on. There is an SMT at the highs. We swept on NQ. Did not sweep on ES. So there's an SMT. Then we got our closer. I'm gonna use this. Stop loss right here. CP down here. Come on, bro. There we go. All right, guys. Honestly, I think I like SMGs a lot. All right, let me hop back on a 4 hour. What do we see? Whoa, bro, I look, you don't even know what these are, bro. I mean, that's of course a rejection block, but this is a crazy amount of like shop that we're having, bro. That's a CISD, but I'm not just gonna take a raw CISD, but I will take a raw SMT and a CISD. Uh, Technically IFVG. Then we have a close above. Self-esteem. Whitney need. In y'all late team. Trying to say please. Took. We seem to be chopping around inside the gap, which is a sign that we're gonna go really bullish. I mean bearish at market open because we had all this time and we still haven't inversed this 4 hour gap. Yesterday it low key seemed like chop. Maybe liquidity sweep into SMT. Come on, don't just go like that. Don't go straight off. Yes, didn't do anything yet. There is an SMT between like one of these candles. I don't know which one. I probably should have entered off this CISD. I promise you, I was thinking about it, but you know, um, so we're almost at the 1 hour mark. So honestly, I'm probably gonna just keep back this thing because I kind of like CISDs. Let me use the bathroom real quick.
Hey, Mom, I just came back from dinner with my girlfriend, but we got into an argument. Why now? What? Well, you with Gabby, your girlfriend? Yeah, my girlfriend Gabby, remember? Your Gabby girlfriend? Well, to put things in short, when we walked in, there was a table for two, and one of them was the booth with
Alright.
cushions and chairs.
I think we're at a 1 hour mark right now, right? What are we at? 1 minute, 45 seconds. Alright. What's my entry there? I'm assuming we also swept on ES. We didn't sweep New York PM session on ES. So there's technically an SMT. There's no SMT there. Top. Follow ISO. We took this on NQ. We did not take this on on ES. FVG maybe. We're just way too deep, bro. We're way too deep. We just now swept this on ES. I actually don't know what happened here. 1 hour. Oh, we're inside this 1 hour gap, and then we touch the CE, and after that we go under it, right, and then we have a CISD here. I would have put my stop loss here, and my target would have been New York session high. Let's see if it would have hit. It would have hit. Well, I'm lucky, like hella unprofitable, so this doesn't matter what I would have done because I didn't do it. Yes, no SMT. There's nowhere to hide. There's nowhere to hide. If you know what I mean. I'm Christ, the Spanish team to be your own queen. They want to see me there. We took this high on NQ, not on ES. Maybe we can just get a high of it to lower day trade. CISD please. I'm assuming ES didn't end up taking it, right? Yeah, ES did not end up taking it. We exited slightly. Uh, can we even use RPGs outside of New York session? Like, I actually don't know. Let me hold on 5 minutes. Technically, that's a SMT. And then, bro, watch this. Pinot clear. Watch. High day, low day trade. Bottom tick. Watch. I'm the go. Hold on. Yo, I'm the go. Is that lower day possibly? Is there an SMT over here? Ooh, there is an SMT. Hold on. If we can get some type of like bullish confirmation, bro, that's gonna be crazy. You had a sweep. What about on ES? On ES. Wait, hold on. No. Wait. Oh, ES took the NQ. This ES didn't. IFG maybe. IFG. Not a clean IFG. The SMG's gone at this point. Let's see. Anything else here? This New York PM. Wait, no. Technically, that's SMT. Right, those lows. So now we're looking for longs because we jumped so much in New York AM. Technically, CISD. Stop loss down here. Watch this. Watch this. Uh, here comes my standard deviation. Manipulation leg. It's TPR here. Bang, bang, bang. Watch this. Oh, whatever. Seems bare so far. That's a CISD to the short side. Back to 9K. Bro, I'm gonna start marking the rejection blocks out, bro. I keep forgetting because I'm getting like short sighted onto the what's it called? SMCs, SMCs. It's 4, 8. All right, 9:30. Is there an SMC? Took that. Took that. Took that. Took that. No SMG yet. Took this. There's no wait. I guess there's this possible. Yeah, this is a crazy draw. I'm not gonna lie. I understand. On NQ, I'm assuming we also did this. Yeah, and then oh, never mind. There's like no draw on NQ to take. Once we take this on ES, bro. Hello. Why didn't we take it? Are we just gonna leave it? I was gonna say once we take this on NQ, or I mean ES to like go go for go for like longs, but we didn't end up taking it. 1, 12, 4, 8. These are like the lowest of the lows that it's letting us go to. NQ. Swept it on ES, not on NQ. Technically swept it. It wasn't too much though. 830 to 915. 830. Hold on, is this guy gonna drop me some sauce? What time is it? How much time do we have left? We have 6 minutes. 9:44. took this. Did not take this. Did we? No, we didn't. So we didn't take it on ES. Did take it on NQ. I mean, I guess it's a CISD. Stop loss is a bit large. I wish it was like an IFBG or something. But hold on. No, I don't know if I want to do this, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Cause no. We already see that we're having trouble breaking through this. In fact, I might enter off of CISD to the upside. Should I have stuck with my Yo! It chopped around and then went to my TV. That's crazy. Actually, today's probably gonna be like mad bearish though. Mm. Yo, this guy's low-key chill. I'm not gonna lie. Found someone to play with on the or not play with, but found someone got a Discord liquidity sheet for I got strong close below $100. Using it as an entry after. No, you. You like American girl. This ain't the latest I can get on you. Rise on wise like Idris. Lucky that I don't take back what was given. Limit plans to 100. I hate trading all time high. Oh, never mind. I mean, we're close though. Could go there very, very, very fast. What do we see on the full hour? Nothing much. We have this possible draw. On the 1 hour, we have this projecting it. We are in the middle of. Come on. It's 12 p.m. I'm probably gonna go really bearish, honestly. All right. Honestly, because of how bullish we were pre-market, I think we want to reverse it. So maybe we can enter off like what's it called? 50-minute SMTs, maybe. Yes. There's already an SMT the high actually. 8:30, 8:45, 8:30, 8:45. Yeah, there's SMT at the side. But I like to wait for a liquidity DC first, honestly. Should I have just entered off the SMT? We have the sweep on NQ. We have the sweep on ES. Maybe we can form an. Oh no, we swept, so there's no. Hold on. What is this? We had H really open right here. NQ. ES. We can have an SMT right there. But yeah, I'm just. Alright, we had the sweep. There hasn't been a sweep on ES. So, the sweep actually happened right during New York. Did ES sweep? ES probably did sweep. Yep. So wait, is this all-time max? That's not. That's not. Took. Taken. There's no way today's bullish, bro. There's just simply no way. I'm looking for 50-minute SMT. Yes, took this, and Hugh didn't. Yeah, yes, took this, and Hugh didn't. 3-minute. Alright, this isn't too bad. Oh my god, bottom takes it. Bro, just way too high, bro. Bro, I'm looking for shorts, bro. A singular candle did all that, bro. That was chop, anyways. Make sure I have a full market view. Is this 10 a.m. Thursday? This is 10 a.m. Thursday. This is Tuesday. This is Tuesday. We're mad close to breaking Tuesday. After that sweep, we can probably expect to go lower. We went really high yesterday. So I'm honest. Yo, can we get a sweep? Oh my god! Did we have an SMC at the high? Should you be taking a trade off a trade? I don't know, bro. What is that level? I don't know why, bro. But the random lines on my chart that I end up like drawing out, they just hold so well. What was that? Oh, can you use ult swing highs for reversal points? Man, what? It's news to me. Whatever, bro. It's like a 800 point. Thank God. Gotcha. City gods away blind us. If you're already by there, there's sort of a line glass. Bro, what was that? Was that the last leg until it. Bro. All right. It's 4 a.m. or no, it's 9:30. Hop on the 4 hour. What do you see? You see price, respect. Yo, there's not a single gap on the downside other than this. Could use that as a could use that as a TP point. You swept this on NQ. Also swept it on ES. I do want a liquidity sweep if we end up going higher or lower before anything else. There's there's no gaps either, bro. What the hell? NQ, yes. Couldn't be. Oh, there's a crazy SMT. But which way is it gonna go? This is just like a direct SMT. Probably gonna go down. Uh, holy chop. Yo, this is just chop, bro. Oh my god. And we're leaving all these gaps on on a downside. So I'm really thinking that we're gonna go bearish. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, it's like Lord's stupidity too, so I just don't know. Maybe in PM we can have our breakout. Up, up, up. Then on this we have up, down, up. So there is an SMT at the high. Break that. Dynamite. Eat at home, little bubbles blowing my line. Hard time, stressed out, bad vibes. Treat you like, treated you like you're one of mine. Treated you, treated you, treated you. Treat you right. CISD, try. No way we could know anyone that you dealt with. No badge of honor, no ceremony of benefits. A support group with a membership. This is AMD maybe? Accumulation. This is our manipulation, or this was our manipulation, I think, maybe. Sweep. Whatever, bro. I'm not gonna make, right? One other date night. Great night. Like a snake night. Snake bite. 1, 2. Great white. Different. Straight flight. We have an SMT technically. 8:30, 9:15. 8:30, 9:15. Maybe after we go a little bit more bullish, we can go down following the SMT. Is that the 8:30 low? That is the 8:30 low. So we swept the 8:30 low on that. Did not see the 8:30 low on this. So we might go bullish again. I'm not sure. No. But this is making low resistance liquidity. But on this, I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna enter off that CISD. like we're honestly, enough that IFBG because we're respecting the life of this liquidity sweep or whatever PD is below it. I'm gonna do wide stop loss TP up here. I'm gonna go break even right here because there's no reason for us to go lower. Or just like a bit above break even. That's crazy. Straight to TV. All right, that's not half bad at least. 15 minutes. Let's see. Look for SMTs. All right, we have that closure above that high. On this, we took both highs on both indexes, so can't say much on that. Here's an SMT at that high. Took that out. Took that out. I don't trade non New York AM or New York session in general. What do we see? Rejection block. We're opening up inside a 4 hour. We're inside a 4 hour gap. I'm gonna color this like light pink or something. We're gonna go to the 1 hour. What do we see? We see a gap right here, fails to close through. Another gap right here, fails to go through. Um, I'd like to see like a liquidity sweep, then like a, cause at this point, are we at all time highs? We are at all time highs. So maybe like a nice little bearish SMT. Um, we have the SMT. Wait, do we? Now we close below that. It is also like having a hard time breaking the top right there. We broke this. Then you have a close below right there. I'm up in 5 minutes. See if we have anything. No, we don't have anything, bro. Uh, our 10:45 high is still in place on ES, and our 10:45 high is taken on NQ. So I'm gonna look for shorts maybe after this CISD. Uh, this is my entry, just a little bit, whatever. Honestly, bro, this backtesting session, it's pretty good. Uh, I'm gonna experiment with CISDs more, but I'm gonna hop off. Maybe go play some Minecraft. I'll be back on the charts later today. Probably release episode 6, part 2. But I'm good off backtesting for today.